morning for me. I'm not sure what time it is for you whenever you're watching this, but I had to run some errands today. Right now it's about 1:30, it's about 1:20 actually, and I forgot what I needed. I was going to Best Buy to return some stuff. It's after Christmas now. I haven't been on making videos in a while, but it's after Christmas now. I gotta go return some stuff so I can get some other stuff. Just gotta return a memory thing. I forgot it at my house. I gotta turn around and go home. But I gotta return a memory thing that I'll never use. So I'll return that and get some new GoPro stuff and some other stuff. So right now I'm turning around, heading home to go grab what I forgot. I did some work to the truck. I didn't record any of it because it's been like negative 10 degrees every day around here. It's kind of been crappy. I'm sick of this weather. So I haven't really recorded much. It was just way too cold. Sorry for that, but I just did some small stuff. Like I wasn't getting any heat through my truck, so I decided I was getting some heat. My temp would get up real quick, you know, like normal, and I was getting some heat. But then kids walking around. Then kind of slippery. Whatever, I was getting some heat, not very much at all, not even enough to keep me warm when I'm going down the road. So I had to I was like, well, the only thing I can think it to be is the heater cord is plugged. So I flushed out the heater cord backwards and a bunch of crap came out, so I got that all cleared out. So I got really hot heat now. My truck will warm up for 5 minutes and I'll have super hot heat, so that's a good thing. And I did put some wheel spacers on the truck. I'll probably end up showing you that in a little bit here. But I'm almost home here, so I'll get back to you in a minute. We're finally on our way now. I ended up going home, grabbing them, things I need to return, and then forgetting the card I gotta return it on, and then going all the way back home to get it again so I can actually return it. So I was basically just running all over for the past 10 minutes. But I'm good now. I got everything I need. I should be good. It's New Year's Day. I'm not sure if Best Buy is going to be open. It's a 40-minute drive, so I'm probably going to call them before I get all the way there. Or I'll call them right now or something, but it's a 40-minute drive from where I live to the nearest Best Buy, so like I said, I got wheel spacers on the truck since the last time you saw it. What else I do? I wired up 2 light pods to my high beams. So I turn my high beams on, my high beams come on, and 2 light pods. So I'll probably do a video on that too. Show you how I did that. And then I did fix my tailgate too, because I didn't have a tailgate for a while. The video you saw of my truck, the overview, I did have a tailgate, but the driver's side bracket broke off, so I ended up taking it off for a month or 2. So that I finally got it fixed. I built one. I'll show you how I built one too. but I think that's pretty much all I did to the truck since the last time you guys have seen it. Okay, so just got out of Best Buy and I picked up one of these. Nice suction cup mount. We're gonna try it out. Not sure how it's gonna work, but we'll try it and see. If not, then I'll return it, but it looks like it'll work. You see right there, they got it on the side of the van, I guess. Stays put up to 150 miles an hour. That's pretty good, so we're gonna try that out. Probably in this video you'll see some of that. And I also picked up a bunch of these. Let me see here. I'll open up my box. Not a lot. I only got 6 of them. I got 3 of the angled ones, like these, and 3 of the flat ones. So, and then I also got a movie studio. Not sure how it's gonna work. We're gonna try it out and see. Looks like it's pretty simple. So if you're watching this video, this is probably going to be with this movie studio here. Not the most expensive one, but it should work. So I'm going to put you up on this mount up here and we're going to head out. Okay, so we're heading out of Best Buy. We're heading back to my town. I got to stop at Staples real quick because I have a card for there. I bought that editing software, so I don't need to go to Staples and buy that now. So I'm glad I got that software. Now I can actually post videos on YouTube. I got the GoPro mounted on the back over here, so that'll be in this video. I kind of wish, I like the suction mount. It took me a minute to figure out how it worked, but I wish it kind of stuck out the truck a little more than it does. That guy almost hit me, jeez. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Send me in the comments what you're thinking of my videos. What you think I should do more. If you're a regular watcher, you're probably not. I mean, I don't have that many views, so not that many subscribers either. So, whatever you